Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Deliwa, also known as the more Deliwa. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this smoky eye. It's the easiest smoky eye you can ever do for yourself. If you want to go bright, if you're gonna go dark, this is just the steps you can take to achieve this look. Please come with me and learn how you can smoke your eyes. So today guys, I've done my eyebrows off camera, as you can see. And because we're doing a smoky eye, I wanted us to concentrate more on the eye area, on what I'll be doing with my eye. Alright, so first up, I'm going to be using this morphe palette, and I'm going to be using these two colors right here. I know the other one is about to finish, but those are my favorite colors. And I'm also going to be using the warrior palette, and I'm going to be using the shawata, this color right here. That's what I'm going to be using. So we are going to take the first color in the morphe palette, the top color, and we are going into our eye crease and start blending. Go in your eye crease until it's as rich as you want it to be. You can make it even richer if you want. You know what you're comfortable with. So alright, there we go. So now I'm taking my second color from the Jacqueline palette again, and I'm going lower, a bit lower than the first color that I've put. And we are blending them together until they look like they're nude. That day. So I'm going to be using the jumbo pencil, the NYX jumbo pencil. This one is called Black Bean for this. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to take a flat brush. The flat brush looks like this. This is a flat brush. So I'm going to take the flat brush, and now I'm going to take my color. You're not going to go all the way to the top. You're going halfway here. Right, and then I'm going to take a fluffy brush like this, and I'm going to just start blending it going up so that it actually mixes up with the top colors and doesn't look like we don't leave blending lines, harsh lines there. Alright, then I go back in to cover spots that I see it's more products, and I blend it like that. So now we are taking our warrior and we are taking the shadow in here, this one. So we take it and we are going to place it on top of our gel, and I'm dabbing it on. Dab, 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 dab. Right, and that's that. So now that I'm done, what I'm going to do is I'm going back in and I'm taking the last color that I used to blend the two, the black and that brownish color together. Alright, and then now I'm taking my flat brush again. Right, and I'm going underneath my eye, and just place the color. And then I'm taking my black color again with the same flat brush, because now we are working underneath our eye. I'm taking, with the flat brush, I'm taking the black color, and I'm going as close as I can to my eye, dabbing the color on. Alright, that's it. And now I'm gonna take, this is a Morphe M50 brush. Looks like this. This is the small tip that it has. We are taking that brush and we are taking those two colors that we used in the Morphe palette. We are taking those two colors and we're just going just a bit underneath our dark color. You can skip this bottom part if it looks too heavy for you. Then just proceed with doing your foundation, penciling and stuff. So I'm done here. I'm just going to remove the excess residue that fell on my face, and then go in and just further blend where I see it needs blended. I'm gonna take a clean brush, then just brush, blend. Alright, that there. And I'm going to take my black liner. Just because we smoked the bottom part doesn't mean we don't have to use black liner. You just need that dark effect. So I'm taking my liner, I'm putting it in my eye. Alright. Then we are taking our black mascara. Alright. I'm going to use the third color here on top, the top row in our Jacqueline nail palette, to highlight underneath our eyebrow. Alright, then we are done. We are doing the same steps on the left eye. So let me do that off camera, then come back and continue with our foundation. Okay guys, now let's continue with our foundation. As you can see, I've done the other eye and I've also done my lashes off camera. So today I'm going to be using the lauder. It's my new favorite foundation, as you can tell from my previous videos. I love using this foundation these days. So we are just going to put our foundation on our face. Alright, then blend first. Alright, so today I'm going to be using the lauder bronze to highlight my face. It's a bit lighter than the first one that I used, and I kind of like the finish of this one on my face. And this is the brush that I'm going to be using to place it. Setting spray first. Then we start blending. Guys, the tragedy that happened, my foundation might have over dried because Zesa went for a second when I placed my foundation. So now I'm struggling to even blend it out. It's super dry. Okay, so now we are going to bake our face with a Fenty Beauty banana powder. This one. Alright, and I'm going to use a spray sponge. Alright. Right. And we are going to be using the mocha mami to bronzify our face. Alright. And I'm taking this brush right here. I'm going to use mocha mami and I'm going into my nose. And to remove our contour, I'm going to be using, wanted to use NC50, but sometimes it gets too light. So I'm going to be using NW50. I'm going to be using NW50. Alright, then under my eyeliner, and under my eye area, I'm just going back again with my NC50. Because I can't really quite see it, so I'm just gonna bake it for a little while, then come back. So for our blush, we're gonna be using this Iron blush, volume 1. Alright. So we're using Nail and Taupe, the two in the middle. That's what we're using. I usually go with my blush to my forehead area so that it warms up the face the same. Okay, so now I'm just going to highlight my face. So to highlight our face today, we're using the MAC Whisper of Guilt. This the one. That's what we're going to use. Actually, I want to do the one in the lash palette. I heard it's so good. I've never used it, but then my child actually played with it. And alright, and just a bit, just a tiny bit of my of Fenty Killawat. Just a bit, not too much. Because it just gives me that extra glow that I love, 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 love. Okay, and now let me dust off my highlights, my nose highlights. Okay, then just take a small brush and Whisper of Guilt. And just go on the bridge of the nose and highlight them. So now for my lips, I'm going to be using the MAC Film Noir. This one looks like this. And I'm going to be using the, this is the NARS, it's called Barbara. Alright, so I'm just going to line my lips with the Film Noir. Okay, like that. Then I'm going to take my, like that. Then today we're going to be using the Huda Beauty lip gloss. This is called Snobby. This one. Right. Then final step. Right. Then we're going to put mascara underneath our eye. Start with a light white eyeliner first. Got to elongate them. Wait a bit for it to dry. Going. Alright. So to finish off this look, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty, the Killawat. I'm gonna be taking the bronzier one with a small little brush like this, and I'm taking it and placing it. You can use a matte color, a shimmery color, and I've noticed there are people who are using a glitter to do this. So guys, this is my final look. Let me just try and fix my hair. Then I'll be back with the final look. Alright guys, this is my final look. No, I'm not really good with hair, and with this lockdown I'm trying the best I can to actually try and win with my hair. Sometimes I win, sometimes I lose. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it and you're ready to try this smoky eye. It's the easiest smoky eye you can ever do. Even if you want to use your pink colors or you want to do a green smoky eye, this is just the steps you can do. Instead of putting a black on your eye, you can use like a clear one. The Jumbo pencil has a white one, so you can use the white one, then put your desired color on there. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you guys. See you on the next video.